Is everything you sell legal in the UK at the moment?
I want to give you a yes or no answer, but it is just a grey area.
This is what George sells. He's the CEO of CBD company Fortune Flavours. CBD is a chemical found in marijuana, but it doesn't get you high because it contains little to no THC. An estimated 6.5 million Brits are using CBD products, and the industry is now worth £300 million a year. But George says there's still a question around the legalities of some products.
The majority of our products, in terms of our gummies, our oils, those are all 100% legal. The more questionable products, and this is the point, it's sort of neither one or the other, it's falling in the grey area, is the flower.
This is CBD flower. It can be smoked, vaped, or made into tea and has the same benefits as any other CBD product. The ones sold at George's company contain 0.11% THC, well below the legal threshold of 0.2%. But regardless of their THC content, CBD flowers remain a banned substance in the UK. So, why is he selling it?
So what the EU law states is that any flower with less than 0.2% THC is a CBD flower and therefore legal. Any flower with north of 0.2% THC is a cannabis flower and therefore illegal. There's no grey area, it's not confusing because you're looking at it scientifically and you're saying, at what point is the substance psychoactive? At that point it's illegal.
George and many others in the CBD industry want the UK law changed to reflect a similar approach. Last year, the Crown Prosecution Service tried unsuccessfully to convict a CBD company who were found importing low THC flower. The case went to the Court of Appeal, which ruled in favour of the CBD company. Judges said they did not consider flower with a THC content below 0.2% a narcotic drug.
This is how ridiculous it is. I could have the flower, i.e. in your full flower form. I can go like this. The flower's now crumbled up, legal. I'm not being dramatic, that's how ridiculous, confusing the situation is.
George says a change in the law would offer both businesses and consumers more clarity. And the Home Office has suggested to us that more clarity is needed.
CBD, as an isolated substance, is not a controlled drug. We'll be providing greater clarity for responsible suppliers by introducing defined limits on the controlled drug content of consumer CBD products.
But will that include changing the law on CBD flower?
The flowers of the cannabis plant are controlled under UK legislation, irrespective of THC content. The UK government has no plans to change this legislation,
leaving CBD flower users and sellers in limbo for longer.